I know why they call this a nail gun. Because it's an absolute gun. It's got a powerful 18V fusion brushless motor, like most of my other AEG Power Tools. Uses the same batteries too. Check out how much room's in the back of the ute, now that I don't have to cart my compressor and hoses around. Everyone knows I hate wasting time and money. That's why I love this AEG nailer. No expensive gas cartridges to fire the nails. No need to down tools while I replace them. The RapidFire uses an integrated compressed air system instead, and when the pressure starts to drop, generally after around 20 to 30,000 nails, it's dead easy to quickly top it up. Best of all, it's free. Just grab a high pressure inflator and top it up to 125 psi. And reloading the nails is as simple as any other nail gun. Couldn't be easier. Can't believe I put up with my old pneumatic gun for so long. I really can't tell the difference in power levels. No wonder they call it RapidFire. So if you need a framing nailer, and let's face it, what chippy wouldn't, do what I did and grab the cordless and hoseless 18V F-RAPIDFIRE framing nailer from AEG.